Okay, Jailin, listen to me. Since you want to go to school next year, you're going to recite your name. Okay? Listen, okay? You say yes. Okay, let's start. You will say, my name is... My name... No, you said, my name... You follow me. My... Ano na kami school? Again. My name is Jailin Dagasdas. Don't laugh. Just make it serious. My name... Again. My name... Why are you crying? You said you want to go to school. That's why I'm teaching you how to recite your complete details so that when your teacher asks you, Jailin, what is your name? Then you will know what you will answer. Jailin! Load na ka, Day? Day! Load, oh. Load, oh. Again. What is your name? Again. You recite. Answer my questions. My name. My name. Louder. My name. Make it serious lagi. Now, yeah.